We'll now talk about the treble clef. This is what a treble clef looks like. As you can see, there is a circle that wraps around the second line right here. This line is assigned the note value G. This is the other reason why a treble clef is also known as the G clef. It's because it wraps around the G, so it helps you know the names on that line. But this is the way we're going to learn how to know the names on each line and space. So we'll start with the lines first. So starting on line 1, as we mentioned before, which is the bottom line, is going to be the note E. Then the second line is going to be G. Third line is going to be B. Fourth line is going to be D. And the top line, or line 5, is going to be F. As you can see, these are the notes on the lines. And we use acronyms to help us memorize these notes. So the acronym for this will be Every Good Boy Does Fine. So then we have E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy does fine. This will help us know the notes on the line. So now let's talk about the notes on the spaces. On the bottom space, or space 1, we have the note F. Then we have on the second space note A, third space C, and the fourth space E. So the spaces in the treble clef spells the word face. And here it is. I'm not sure if you noticed, but as you can see, when we're going up on the lines or spaces in the clef, we're going in the order of the alphabet. Whereas if we go down on the lines or spaces in the clef, we go backwards in the alphabet. So if we go up, we're going in the order of the alphabet. If we go back down, we go into the other way of the alphabet, backwards. Now that we know the notes on the lines and spaces of the treble clef, let's practice drawing some. In your activities folder, I have supplied you with a document called staff lines, or staff paper. It's staff paper. So you can open that, print it out, and let's draw some treble clefs together. So this is how to draw a treble clef. I'm going to draw a line a little above the top line, a vertical line going down, and then I'm going to go just a little under line 1. After that, from the top of the line, I'm going to draw toward my right side a crescent or semicircle, and it's going to cross over to the fourth line, like so. And then I'm going to draw another semicircle, but a bigger one, on the other side, and have the bottom of the circle touch the bottom line, and then start to make my way up like this, where I'm going to have my top of my circle touch the middle line, the bottom middle line. Then I'm going to wrap around like that, where I wrap around the second line, which is the G. So let me try this again. So you're going to start here, just a little bit, line 5, draw a vertical line all the way down, a little below line 1, and then semicircle, cross over at the fourth line, then start to draw your circle, make sure the bottom touches line 1, start to wrap around, and then the top of the circle touches line 3, and then here we go again. So there's your treble clef. Let's try this again. Start from here, go straight down, then semicircle through line 4, go around the other side, come up beneath, and there it is. So let's do a couple more of these so we get the hang of it. So that one was a little close to the other one, so maybe I'll leave a space between these two so I could draw a nicer circle. So here we go. There it is. Let's do a couple more. And one more. That is how you draw a treble clef. So practice, practice, practice. You want to draw at least 10 times, but that is how you draw a treble clef.